How's it going, everyone? In this video, I'm going to be doing a recap on a day trade I caught today. This was called out live inside Team Bull. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you do not miss on any of my upcoming videos. It feels good to be back from vacation. I'm ready to up the content game, up my trading game. Lots of great value to come. So be sure you have the notifications on so you do not miss out. Let's get right into the SPY trade. First off, this trade was based off the hourly time frame. Let me show you exactly what I was looking for here. So you can see we're trending up right on the hourly time frame. I said, I was doing Instagram Live this morning. I do them every morning where I create my watch list, give you my game plan for free every morning. But I said, I want to catch this uptrend, and I would like to catch it off an hourly uptrend entry. And that's what my level was here. My exact level is 436.6 to 436.5 area for call entry. That was my game plan going into today. And if you do not understand how to trade trend, my most recent SPY trading strategy goes in depth on what I look for. So be sure you check that video out as well. Now let's take a look. Pulled down, I didn't take my entry right at my level. What I waited on was confirmation. So when I say confirmation, I was watching price action on a lower time frame, the 5 minute. We had, as you can see, we had a nice long wick down on the opening 5 minute candle, some indecision, long wick down, possible reversal slash indecision. When this candle opened here, that's where I took my call entry right here. Set my stop loss a break below this opening 5 minute candle down here around 436.4, roughly a 40-cent stop loss, 30 something to 40-cent stop loss. Final price target was at 438. The risk reward is there. This was a day trade. I was trading same day expiration options. I told everyone on voice inside Team Bus I'm getting in calls here. We caught the nice move up. Trim somewhere in, I think, this area here. Can't remember exactly where my second trim was. I was watching the SPX chart. I was watching for it to break above a key level, and it broke. We took another trim. Final price target hit. We broke above that. I got out of my trade. Very happy with our execution on this trade. Now, I want to talk about something else. Today's a big day in the market. We have FOMC, which has not happened yet. I'm still going to trade that. So I may have to make 2 recap videos today. We'll see. But when you're trading big meeting days like FOMC or big data days, sometimes the IV on the options will be jacked up. So what that means, it's going to cause the premium of the option to, it's going to be overpriced. And that's what happened today. We had higher IV, the options were overpriced, and the contracts didn't move like they would on a normal day. I didn't get quite the return I would on the normal day, and that's to be expected on days like today. That's something to write down, keep in mind. I like to trade lighter size. I was light on this position, probably like a quarter of my normal size, possibly a half. Just depends on what I'm trading, of course. But it never hurts to size down on days where it could be unpredictable, where the contracts are a little, the IV's got the premium jacked. This is something that's come from experience. Hopefully, that little tip helps you all out. One last thing before I go. I'm about to up my futures trading game. I'm going to be providing more education on futures. I will still be trading SPY options that'll never go away. I love trading SPY. I will be trading futures more in the near future. So if you've been thinking about getting into it, now's the time because I'm going to be trying to trade that live, more on my Instagram. If you don't have a futures trading account, check out Apex. I'll leave the link in my description. You get a funded account with them. You're trading with their capital. You don't have to worry about blowing your account. 2 reasons I like the funded accounts. One, you don't have your own money on the line. And two, it's really good. Even if you're not going to use it long term, it's good to learn on because you're not blowing your own money. You're blowing like a fraction of whatever it costs to open the account. But that's all I have for this video. I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.